Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amber Beauty Fashion. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today videos are great designing ideas, and today I am showing a outfit trendy and gorgeous collection of crochet top designs and sweater patterns. Friends, I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find another trendy ideas in our videos. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So friends, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. I will try my best to share all new ideas. So please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching our videos from my channel. You can get ideas, so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and latest trendy and marvelous crochet ideas. Friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.